Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezugu Chukwu the Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, the chartered accountant, Oga Alexa Wilcox, the inside studio. And when they discuss the 2016 budget of change, we call this topic as President Buhari don't sign budget. We they come from the angle say, okay, after the signing, implementation and remain. And Oga Alexa Wilcox as they throw the question from left, right, and center in the fire was back based on the way when it's in the hot. Oga Alexa, you be one answer the question we asked about say, okay,
on the scale of 10, you see, the budget, not be say the budget Nigeria they granted though, would implement the recurrent ever since. From January 1, they don't implement them because that one, you must pay salary, like I said. You must buy station.
You must pay them their allowance.
You must pay them their allowance. I mean, you know your guys now. Then they carry last. Your guys, they don't even buy car. They don't even buy car. So those on the run. So as that's time, they go to remove that side. So, okay, we don't do this. But the side way. All of us they look at that capital side. Now, you see, capital, they run from one budget year. Most capital projects, they overlap.
Okay.
Because if it take you 3 years to build a road.
So every
3 years.
Every year you go to approve a continuation.
Now, if you want to build a refinery today, it can take you 5 years.
So she will talk now reasons why they get abandoned projects.
That's good. You are not talking. You see, you're not talking because most times they don't approve enough money. For instance, now we talk of this Lagos Calabar rail line. You know what it takes to build rail? That in 10 years we'll see the phenomenon. Because rail line is not some. In fact, there's the one they are building in UK now. The fast lane rail line. The first rail will run in 2029. But they don't already approve it now.
2029.
That's when the first rail.
Like how many 13 years?
That's when the first rail train go run on that rail.
30 years from now.
I'm telling you, 2029.
Now 2016 we did.
Okay, yeah, 30 years. 2029. That's when the first train will run on that road from London to Newcastle.
So, Oga Alexa, our hope now. Make we kill our hope now.
No, kill. See,
because tomorrow, Pacific Continent will say the road when they build.
I try to tell you, say, all this anxiety, say, you go say, no. You know they work like that for capital project.
But then, if you know make they also make it very clear to Nigerians who don't understand.
No, Nigerians should know. You see, when you want to do power now, power station not be to go buy generator come drop for house. If not to do generator come drop for house, that way, they go drop on now. But to be power station, you know what it takes now? You go clear ground, you go put in structure, you go import good materials. So, but you see, why it go to happen now? Be say you go to see the activities. People go to make money. People then go to employ people to do all those aspects. If they import now, those way they pop up go clear the goods, they go make money. The transporter will carry the material, they go make money. Those way go they clear the ground where they go dump them, they go make money. Security man will go watch them, go make money. Everybody will value chain. You understand? So that is where capital project works. But you know, they don't just come like say they do magic. Refinery don't appear for one place. No. So I overlap. This is, so what I'm thinking, what they don't have a preep say, make the people who work with Oga Presido, make them get the kind of way you get. If they get the kind of
nine choose them.
No, yes.
Or there be people who
even when Jesus choose only 12. For one idea for one.
Hey, so voila.
No way they doubt. No way he knows what the master do. He don't see him from beginning when they call him Thomas. He don't see everything master do. When the last time master don't wake up, they even tell him, master say go wake up. They say a lie. I don't see him till that. So 419 day, doubt that day. Peter sometimes they say, this is matter.
I go even support.
Only 12. We are not talking of the one who will get. And that time say things still better. You can't talk of now. So their mind will be the same thing. So the only thing we say, but President has somebody where he don't want them. You know, even the time where they go meet and say they want to increase their rent allowance. I mean, I know they do, but they say the man tell us say where I won't come from. You can't leave them common. So the man are not nonsense man. So it also good make the people where they work with them, make them get the same mind. The house don't do their own. Pattern to this executive. And then the civil servants who also go carry the files. Because the man, nobody will carry the whole file.
Oga Alexa, no vex. Make you just freeze for now. Make you collect this call from Richard. Richard, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I bet Richard, speak up, make we hear you well.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Richard.
Yes, Mr. Maxwell, right?
Alexa Wilcox.
Yes, Mr. Wilcox. Fantastic analysis. and I know you to be an independent-minded professional.
Thank you very much.
I won't address your views to be political. They are purely objective, based on the facts on the table. But the only thing I want to chip in is that make we not forget, say, our politician no go do the way Mr. Maxwell they talk now. Because in they talk as it's supposed to be. But them, they sabi
Mago.
All those kurukere level now.
All the kurukere, they no go come out. If they come out, do a machine they talk so. I assure you that in the next 18, let's say 8 months, we'll begin to see, truly speaking, that things are beginning to take shape. But if they do them otherwise, outside waiting in the talk as a professional, now the day we go see you.
Richard, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Exactly.
We get Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, thank you for your patience. Good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning for the studio there.
Good morning,
Oga Bobby.
Just like the guy when just call finish, you know. The TV say so much for me the project needed one perfectly, you know. You understand me? Because it will benefit everybody in Nigeria. At least it will reduce it's only the railway alone, it will employ people. At the same time, if like the one like the way they are in abroad here, like in Holland when I did so, each train station gets shops when they under the train station. You understand me now? So the tip say it will create jobs, not small job. The same time it will link Nigeria through where they say transportation system will be more simple. For individual like me when we say abroad, if I call Nigeria, I feel it easy for me to your intertrain now. I land today at the intertrain say I go data. You understand me now? Go reach data without I'm not gonna spend the night for Lagos. You understand me now? So move with size patient and move pray say make give Nigeria people wisdom to enable to execute this thing successfully. Because
very, very true. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your important contribution. You don't talk about exercising patience and also prayers. All of us know say this country belongs to all of us. We will continue to pray for our country and we will exercise patience because like in talk, no be magic. We get Chooks. Chooks, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Chooks, thank you very much and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Chooks, good morning. Good morning.
We greet you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good day.
I greet you very well.
My brother, I receive and well.
Yes, I thank God I really joined this program from the start today.
Okay.
Before I know the two join from start today, I really thank us to take and analyze the whole thing. It like say it's a beautiful thing that happened for this country. Well done once more.
Thank you.
My contribution for this particular budget signing and the approval and the implementation and the whole thing. True. Our Oga Buhari, he really get us for mind though. For at least for now, for the small things when I don't see when it is do. But the people we can't surround them. I think now the problem of Nigerians is that, especially our so-called now. Although he, the Oga Buhari, not go feel work alone. He go work with people. So for the thing now to really go on the CCD, that's my contribution. So the CCD budget, it really happened as a TikTok. Make it be on top of the matter. I think not the only one else man. Make it say when he said they won't use the money to, that he can use the money to. It cannot give room for anybody who come say, Oga will go come, Oga will go come. Now, what's in my contribution?
Very true. Thank you very much for this important contribution. And we go just re-emphasize, say, in the long while, it just be like, say, when government come up with budget, they go look and say, okay, now we make we do them. But based on the talk, we know the talk, so Oga President himself understand, say, as I want them like this for Nigerians, some people feel no want them like this. Now, why you don't come put that monitoring team, say, make una they check every quarter, una go come back on report. But we as Nigerians, what we supposed to do? No be to talk say, okay, Oga President go do am, we believe am. We serve, because of saying in our interest, we serve go continue to the talk. We go to identify all these key projects that they talk, say, share them do am, who do am well, who not do am well, so that we go raise our voice. If 170 million strong Nigerians raise their voice talk, now we say, Oga President go here, and then go do
the necessary action. President say they didn't.
Okay, we got Joseph. Joseph, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Mr.
Good morning, Joseph.
Mr. Accountant and Mr. Chukwudi. Good morning.
We greet you, Oga Joseph.
Yeah, the thing where they happen, they say this budget, as the accountant also say, Nigeria, we should expect much. We should know this budget matter. We should not be excited. You understand? We should not be excited. Things don't spoil. Things don't spoil from scratch. From scratch. This Nigeria politics don't spoil from scratch. And Buhari now, God won't excuse and make you revive Nigeria. Because this budget of a thing, no mean say things go happen immediately. So we have to take things have to be in a dual process. Small. Like you don't talk now, they hear about that train where they want to do for UK. See, they say 2029. Look now, that project where they talk now, if Buhari no monitor them, the project will become abandoned project. So now time, now dual process we need for Buhari to do this thing. I like the way you do that project. You use dual process, use signer. So you don't want to. And once again, with the way the last caller told you say, the people where they work within Buhari say their date is here. Say their date is here. Now the thing we want is that go before the mafia award project. Say those people where they are around them. Say their date is here. Now when they affect good luck. Tenure that time. Those people they are among them. They know this here. Now they push them when Nigeria get problem now. So problem don't take from scratch. So the problem is say Buhari God go answer them. The man get us on mind. But make God don't touch the way they are around them.
Very true.
Oga Joseph, thank you very much for that contribution. Oga Alexa, if you see virtually all the reactions of some of the callers who we don't get, now still on how we go ensure say these things we don't talk, say now the due process.
Exactly.
Okay, Oga President don set up committee, maybe the monetary committee. Okay, if for instance the monetary committee they give report and because say somehow, bro say waiting on them they agree with Oga President, you know they go in Okada. Waiting we go expect at least one action from Oga President. So okay, it is either make you follow this due process or make you this. Waiting that make you that straight. So at least make you know say we get steady followership on waiting we know say we want for our country.
You know, President don't do one thing. Okay, like I was saying before, instead in the read paper. So what we do now, part of waiting President, instead they watch TV. What do they do now? Part of to help President, even the monitoring. So like Chukwudi talk, we talk them. We gotta identify those projects. So because even those who is sent to go monitor, all of them don't get the same mind. Then we go there and collect money chop and waka go their own.
Now Alex,
we tell them.
Quick one, just like Oga President they monitor, we serve they also they monitor as we go play. Quickly we go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll still collect some more calls because we know our telephone line they always they hot. After that one, we go allow our Ogbonge visitor just complete the talk. Not go anywhere. Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max. As Ide complete them, you in the house. Hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, Channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, and on top of online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and Ogbonge visitor, chartered accountant, Oga Alexa Wilcox, this side studio, and we discuss as President Buhari don't sign budget, waiting be the way forward. We talk about the implementation, and from all the people who don't call us, everybody they point in one direction. We get Oga President will be good man, but some people will surround them. Somehow, they feel want to throw monkey and inside the pot of soup. What do we go do to use ensure say all these good plans when we get will go benefit Nigerians? Everybody go indeed benefit from them. Oga Wilcox.
All of us will go own the project. We go own this Nigerian project. You know, we don't divide ourselves too much, and that you know when those persons they fight too. When they settle themselves when they go for midnight meeting, you don't go sleep. You don't fight yourself, finish, fight, break on her head. Then go laugh on her. They go up, go say, no mind those people. Otumba.
Now why is it easy for one to cross from this party?
I'm telling you.
And they go welcome her with
Otumba, take your own, Wefi, hold your own, Alajoya, see your own. Then when the session finish, then when they go and then they begin shout, so now our job is to own the budget, to own the process. We go help this Oga President. Like these people that okay, look at ministers. You get a president who will tell you say he won't do things in due process.
Alexa, don't go vex, so we'll collect this talk.
No, take him.
We get another caller. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Who they call? Who they talk to us? Godwin, good morning. Would they hear you? Right on.
Yeah.
Godwin, continue with the year.
Okay. Number 15.
Okay, Godwin, you be like say you go try call us back, or when you go try, just reduce the volume of your television so that we will hear you and interference no go there.
You know, so as I'm the talk. You know,
we're glad to get Amanda call back.
Okay.
Samali, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Samali.
Yeah, my contribution is monitoring the budget is one thing. Implementation is another thing.
Okay.
See, the excitement by Nigerians over this budget, I start asking. Some of us hearing the budget for the first time. I asked a friend yesterday.
That's true.
Budget is only for a period of 12 months. I wish, Mr. President, 28 or 29, he should reshuffle his cabinet.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Okay.
Reshuffle his cabinet and put the right people in place. If not, the story will remain the same. As of now, the problem we are having are the hand about from other parties, whom, when they were coming to APC, they were received as beautiful brides, whom APC now says are the problems of the present government. You understand me? If that, except that is done, I repeat, Chukudi, except that is done, I can't see anything coming out of this budget.
Okay, Samali.
We are told the budget is going to be implemented through borrowing from external source.
Oga Samali, quick one. Oga Samali, you there?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Now, you say make Oga President reshuffle cabinet, maybe by 29th of May. Shema said the ones when they now, they know they qualify to do the thing. Or you, based on what you don't see, you don't believe, say those people, their hand, they clean to do what Oga President want me to do.
It's not the budget, they never see no
clean. Do you want me to mention him?
No mention, Oga Samali. Just hold that contribution. We appreciate this your talk when you talk, and this advice when you don't give
Oga President. Thank you very much, Oga Samali.
Oga President say they watch television, and we hope say he don't hear you. Every action when he go take.
If Allah make him mention them, they really won't mention one name, Amechi, Fashola. Nothing they would like to mention.
Very true.
That one
Prince,
no be any
Prince,
better distance.
good morning, Prince.
Hello?
Good morning, Prince. Will they hear you?
Yeah, Okubi.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. This is Chris. It's not Prince.
Okay, Chris. Okay, Chris.
Yes. Okubi, this our budget. It came late to be said. Maybe they talk through.
We know.
I like your guest that is there.
Okay.
But may talk through. This thing came very late. Budget came at the 5th month of the year. And you are telling me, well, whatever you implement, the 7 months is not enough. So everything came late. We are annoyed. It's true. It's good to say the truth.
Very true. Oga Chris, we thank you for that truth when you don't talk. But it go good make we correct one particular impression. Our Ogbonge visitor don already tell us say, not be just say at the end of December, 19 go expire like we talk. He go run enter inside May. So 12 months we get the opportunity. We get Godwin. Godwin they call us from Kaduna. Oga Godwin, good morning and welcome back to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Godwin.
Sorry, about the issue.
Okay, will they hear you, Godwin? Continue.
About the issue.
Hi.
Oga Godwin, I beg you no go vex. We go just lock our telephone line now so that our Ogbonge visitor go get the opportunity to take go round.
The estimate is where they don't raise. Okay, anyway, don't correct and say the budget na roll over. The budget they run, Nigeria they run. That's why I say the recurrent side they run. Now that capital side now, where they no one do anything till they approve. Right now, they don't already cut out those projects. And so I want to believe that they will start awarding the contract because already the council that approval, so they're no longer going to cancel final approval. So they will now start running this thing. So and I don't also talk and say capital project you need to get 1 year lifespan, then they roll over.
True.
So right now I don't know the ones that they want to do, but whatever capital project that is being done, it will create jobs.
True.
That's the important thing. So let us be looking at before the end of this month, some jobs will come out, some spin-offs will come out, and then if government now pay contractors, because government is owing a lot of debt to contractors, if government now pay contractors, and let's also get one thing clear, government get money now.
True.
Because they do one good this TSA. You don't reduce the level of stealing
For the system.
from the system. You know, there's these MDAs. All these MDAs, like an MPA, NIMASA,
where money go just disappear anyhow.
Disappear. Universities, you know, in those days, before now, universities, then be cash cow. all this federal college of education, all the federal government colleges, they be cash cow. By the time you pay school fees, they go chop finish, carry small and go give government. By the time they do pursue TM like this for universities,
they don't make plenty money.
People go buy
some they even get with their acceptance form now.
I'm telling you. So, but now, all those money now, it don't enter account. So money day. So if they want to implement now, they don't go borrow money. If I say if you no borrow, no question we talk about borrow, but come if you no borrow money.
Okay, Alexa, we realize everything we don't talk now still on this thing. But then one thing still the very thing we don't talk on here. We'll still talk on okay. In the whole thing, the whole budget thing. To ensure say at least that monetary thing carry out their job effectively. Now still be waiting at one exercise on.
Yes.
I think for us to be able to at least get a steady
report.
Exactly. So that same area I want to make emphasize more on.
There are 2 levels of monitoring. You know, the National Assembly will pass the budget. They have committees that are supposed to monitor implementation. True. They call them oversight function. Yeah. Now they have their own. And if those will be even their own representatives. Now we
then they represent.
Exactly.
So they must do the work where
represent us, they represent themselves. That's the problem. Now, if now with what we pass through to get this budget, notice the time the first time we get budget, we at least it look clean. Padding don't come out, certain things don't come out. So now the money with them approved, the money we want to take do work. So if now they go fit to their own work, monitor, executive don't say, okay, we're going to monitor, and they give report, and they monitor and give report, and then they compare notes. That is working for the interest of Nigeria, not for their own interest.
Very, very true.
Working for the interest of you and me, and not for the political party interest.
Very true.
Presidents get good mind. And unfortunately, there are many people waiting out. You and me now, if you want to help him, but we'll never reach there to be able to help him.
Very true.
If they give you the job now, if you do it without even asking for salary, because if they pay you, you understand, you want things to be better. But a lot of people, okay, I was talking about these ministers now. When president don't talk, say, this is how we want to do it. They can't say, give us 20 million for house. Meanwhile, president say, what do you approve now? 4 million. What in law approve for you now 4 million. You now come and meet them for back and give us 20 million. Where will get them from give you?
Okay, Alex, that one a very big question when you ask. And on top of our CDO, based on chartered accountant things and master of the economy, we go discuss maybe spending for government. Do you see how we go take fee reduce all this cost?
Yes.
We go like you promise our people say if we invite you again, you go honor our invitation.
Chukudi and Kubi, not say me I be on a guy now.
You be our guy.
I be on a guy. I know they wrong. And because I like Nigeria too much, we're going to do like today I tell them, Syria beat me today. I still come.
But you still come.
Because we need to be talking this thing, so you go reach where they so they're going to say Nigerians we like this country and we want to talk the truth about this country.
Our people waiting for us, we always talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. From all the things we don't talk, the future they very, very bright. But we must exercise patience. Exactly. We must also they pray, whether you be Christian, Muslim, or you do your own Saturday night for backyard. But it's very, very important. Say make we continue to the talk. Because if it's better for this country, we go better. If the country is spoiled, now all of us go still suffer the punishment. The choice is our own. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Oga Alexa Wilcox, we go shake your hand.
Thank you very much.
Really appreciate.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Anytime.
Now bye bye our people there.
Now just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.